Are you looking for the best battle ropes? In this video, we will look at some of the best battle ropes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Power Guidance Battle Rope. Power Guidance Battle Ropes make the perfect gym accessory for anyone who is ready to take their training to the next level. Whether you are a professional working in a gym or running outdoor-style training camps. Slam, drag, whip, or move your ropes in waves and really inject some power and fun into those training sessions. For anyone who loves a challenge and wants to go to the next level with their fat-burning and power-building results, then these are a must. These have been built and engineered to last with their sturdy anti-friction nylon-coated sleeves and heat-shrink handles. That means that however vigorously you pound those ropes, they shouldn't fray or come apart. They won't cause unnecessary friction burns and blisters on your hands. They come with convenient coated handles that measure 1.5 inches in diameter and 6 inches in length, so plenty of grip. Included with your purchase, you don't just get the battle rope, you also get the rope anchor too, with heavy-duty screws to fix down. The ropes are available in 3 different lengths. The longer the length, the harder the effort, so make your choice in advance about how far you want to push your body with your new best battle rope. Number 2. Yes4 All 1.5/2-inch Battle Rope. This battle rope is made of 3-strand twisted 100% poly Dacron, with a compact structure, strong tensile force, and not easy to loose and deform. This product is an ideal choice for beginners and serious fitness enthusiasts for home gym and outdoor exercises. Wear-resistant and durable middle protective cover plays a role of protecting itself against friction damages and fraying between the battle rope and the anchor. Non-slip long handle will not fall off. Heat shrink handles to improve grip and provide a comfortable exercise experience at home or gym. Long and thick PVC with protective sleeve, so firm non-slip grip during intense exercises, even when your hands are sweating. Easily roll up for storage when not in use. The flexible design also makes for convenient portability. The training rope can be used for ups and downs, pulling or climbing sports combat rope, sports rope, training rope, etc. If it is outdoors, you can directly use accessories to bind to trees, fixed posts, or outdoor fitness equipment. Number 3. Poly Dacron Weighted Battle Rope. Work out without worry thanks to your rope's protective sleeve. Its tough nylon enhances durability by deterring friction, dirt, and sand. Your 7.5-inch long handles feature a non-slip, vinyl casing that's heat-shrunk for improved grip and comfortability, with or without gloves. Crafted of heavy poly Dacron, your weighted rope provides reliable resistance and movability for maximum muscle control and building. Setup has never been simpler. Attach your exercise rope to workout equipment such as kettlebells, wall hooks, outdoor benches, or trees with the 2 reinforced straps and locking carabiner. Wrap, clip, then crush it. The battle rope alone is more than enough for a full-body workout. Plenty of exercises for strength, stamina, weight loss, you name it. If street is your gym, then battle rope is your gear. Muscle up wherever. Find a hook or a pole, and you're ready and set to sweat. When we said wherever, we meant it. Sand, dirt, grass, or asphalt, the battle rope covered by a protective sleeve is ready for your most challenging workout. Number 4. Perantlb Battle Rope. 30 feet, 40 feet, and 50 feet length, available for 1.5-inch ropes, which allows users to adjust exercise intensity by altering rope length and diameter, ideal for both professional and amateur sports lovers of ages. Upgraded durable protection sleeve. Wear-resistant and durable, our sleeve protect the rope from friction and fray, more durable and will last many years of usage. 8.66-inch heat shrink handles to improve grip and provide a comfortable exercise experience at home or gym. Long and thick PVC with rubber sleeve, durable and non-slip feel. So the rope won't slip out of your hands even when you are sweating. Users can achieve grappler throws, burpee slams, alternate wave/lateral lunge combo, single arm plank waves, double wave/jump squat combo, etc. with our battle ropes, which helps you get a killer conditioning workout and tone your abs, arms, shoulders, as well as enhance your body flexibility and coordination. Number 5. Weighted Jump Rope. It's no secret that skipping rope is a great way to get fit. Using a heavy jump rope helps to exercise the whole body more effectively. Triple weighted, multi-fold fat burning. Each energizing leap ignites calorie burning, boosts stamina, and promotes weight loss. Enhance everyday life quality. In order to better yourself, please use weighted jump ropes to jump now. It is scientifically proven that 10 minutes of intense jumping with a weighted jump rope is equivalent to 30 minutes of running. This heavy-duty rope is 10 times more efficient at working your core muscles than a standard jump rope. It adds an extra challenge to your cardio routine, helping you build strength and endurance with every jump. In order to avoid spraining the wrist and reduce hand wear, our weighted skip rope has upgraded the anti-slip handle, using high-quality polyolefin heat shrinkable material to enhance the friction of the grip. This can effectively prevent all the tension generated by the heavy jump rope from concentrating in the hands, protecting your hands and bringing you the perfect jump rope workout experience. Our exercise skipping rope is made of polymer synthetic fiber with high tensile strength to prevent tearing during continuous use. Heavy-duty jump ropes are woven from multiple strands of fiber material and are designed to be heavy and durable, with reliable and long-lasting performance so you can focus on your workout.